How do you level up your sales game? Let's talk about it. Well, welcome back to the 5-Minute Sales Training, everyone. I'm Jeff Shore. If you're new here, just hit that subscribe button and the like button too, if you don't mind. Your engagement helps us to get these weekly lessons in front of even more salespeople. So do that right now. You know, several years ago, I joined an entrepreneurial coaching organization. It's called Strategic Coach. And I just wanted to sort of, ratchet up my game. Just tweak my game a little bit. Just do a little checkup, make sure I was doing stuff right. Instead, you know what I got? I got radical transformation. My business has never grown so much, and it caused me to rethink. I was in a little bit of a rut.
Ethel, Ricky, and I are in a terrible rut. What do you mean? Everything has become routine.
Maybe even a big rut. Taking that opportunity to lean into that program gave me that transformation. Now, by the way, radical transformation, it wasn't a goal. But even my personal income increased 300% since I joined. Now look, this was an expensive endeavor, and I had to pay out of my own pocket. But that was what made it all worthwhile, having skin in the game.
What you gonna do, Jerry? Show me the money! Congratulations, you're still my agent.
I mean, just think about it. What are some of the skin in the game examples in your life? What have you invested in yourself, personally or professionally? Tell me about some of the ways that you've invested in yourself. You could drop that into the comments below. I would love to read them. Listen to the success coaches over the years. Tony Robbins, Zig Ziglar, Jim Rohn, our heroes, right? If we're in sales, they've been saying this for years. You have to invest in your own success. And if you talk to the most successful people in any walk of life, and they're going to tell you they didn't get there alone. There was an unknown mentor behind the scenes. Steve Jobs had Bill Campbell. Oprah had her 4th grade teacher, Mrs. Duncan. Mrs. Duncan, who worked with Oprah day after school. There are plenty of people out there right now who are going to say, I don't need a mentor. I don't want to spend any money. I'm good where I'm at. I'm absolutely fine with where I'm at right now. No worries and no offense taken. In fact, I'm going to make it easier. If you're content with where you are, just stop the recording. Go spend your valuable time elsewhere. No judgment at all. If you're still watching, you are exactly the type of sales professional that I want to work with. I've been training salespeople for decades, and I can really put them into 3 groups. The first group is the people who don't want to be there at all. They're just content to stay where they're at. The second group, these are the people who go to the training and they might enjoy it, but that's all they're ever going to do. And then there are the 10%ers. The 10% of salespeople who want to be truly great at what they do, and that is my target audience. You 10%ers out there are the sales professionals that I've been working for over the past several months. See, I'm looking for a tribe of people who will join me in a journey of excellence in life and in work. I want people who are not content to hang around with the masses. I want to work with sales professionals who want to be the best at their game, but also want to live life on their own terms and to enjoy the fruits along the way. So that brings me to Sales 365. Now, what is it? What is Sales 365? Well, it's a daily focus for salespeople who want to take their game to an entirely new level. It's the opportunity to join a tribe of like-minded professionals who are going to encourage and challenge and inspire. It's brand new and higher level content that is exclusively designed for Sales 365 members. You're not going to get it anywhere else. And I've been busting my butt behind the scenes in research for months. This is also an interactive and really cool opportunity because of the app that we've designed that's going to allow for daily participation. You're also going to get accountability partners to help you grow and a resource list that will give you the growth for the rest of your life. And you'll get direct interaction with me, your mentor, in this program. Now listen, Today's lesson is about doing something on your own initiative to motivate your own growth. It could be as simple as setting aside a certain amount of money every month dedicated to filling your home library with self-development books. It could be buying your own ticket to an educational convention or a motivational conference. And yes, it might be joining a community of fellow salespeople, those top 10%ers who are at the top or want to be at the top. They're dedicated, they're as dedicated as you are to reaching and surpassing their goals. Now, pre-sales for Sales 365 are going to begin next week. If you're on our interest list, you're going to get the first opportunity to join our community at the lowest possible price. But all you have to do is go to sales365.io, sales365.io, and add your name. You'll find that link in the description below. Friends, it is your time. It's your time to take control of your own success. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to be all that you were meant to be. Our community is going to turn top 10%ers into top 1%ers. And I can't wait to see you there.